Hi Cancerians, this is your next 10 days reading. I have taken today's date, that is 16th of September to the 25th of September. The 10-day period is going to see various changes in your life. I have got the spread in front of me. The energies are showing through the tarot cards and I'll be explaining these energies to you. They can be positive or negative. But before we start this reading, I am going to take up one card which fell out for you when I prayed for you from the Angels Oracle deck. It has a message for you. So let me read out to you. Release jealousy. Jealousy is an affirmation that you don't have something, and the universe manifests it exactly as you affirm. Let other people's successes inspire rather than frustrate you. If they can have it, so can you. So this is your energy, message for the next 10 days. This you must remember, because this might manifest in your life in the next 10 days. So let's take up the first card, the first energy. The first energy is of Six of Wands. Beautiful energy, the energy of victory. So you are going to get, most of you are going to get victory in a certain circumstance, in a problem which you were facing, maybe a long running problem, maybe you were waiting for a job call, maybe you were waiting for your loved one to accept your proposal, some university to accept your proposal, some new opening, some new money which was going to come in but it wasn't coming, because it is clarified by another from another deck, the same card, Six of Wands. So Six of Wands and Six of Wands, meaning you have got success in something recently. Either you have got it or you are going to get in the next 10 days, because give it time. It can be a very very contemporary energy. It is going to come to you, it is going to happen to you. So have faith, have belief. It is corroborated with a card from another deck. Instantly another Six of Wands fell out. So you are going to have this victory. You are going to overcome some obstacles which were in your path. You are going to be publicly acclaimed for a certain success. Please, when you get this success, please note down what was the reason that you got this success. So you would know what in near future, whenever you are in some trouble, you would know what to do. So always whenever you get a success, please note down what exactly led you to your success. This is what the card is saying, and this success is going to take you towards your Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups means total fulfillment, means happiness. This means happiness with family, happiness at the highest level. So you have got the best card of the deck, the Ten of Cups, meaning all your wishes, all your emotions are aligning right now. You are getting victory, you are being in a joyous state. Please enjoy this moment, because you are going to be in such happiness. Something is going to give you a lot of happiness right now, and this will take you out of a crisis situation. This is I am seeing for you within the next 10 days. If you haven't seen it yet, it is going to come to you. Some of you have already seen it, so it's like you will be able to identify with this thing which I am talking about. But people who haven't got it yet, they might be seeing their signs, they might be seeing this ultimate happiness which is going to come to them. So it is amazing situation for Cancerians. This is the best read, the best cards I am seeing for any zodiac sign. So the next energy which is coming in is of the King of Wands, meaning either a fire sign is near you, someone of the sun sign of Leo, Aries or Sagittarius. This person is a bit bossy, this person is a bit controlling, but maybe this person will give you some happiness, because I see that the King of Cups, this is you. your energy, because you are the water sign, so you are taking up this energy. You are feeling a bit dejected, you are feeling, out of love, you are not feeling these emotions, but because 10 of cups is coming, you will be taken out of this, feeling of dependency, feeling of being, unrequited kind of situation. You are feeling that you don't have enough love or emotions in your life, but since you are an emotional person, you feel, you get into these depths of despair. But right now your situation is going to change, amazingly. Your situation is going to change in terms of money, because I see the Queen of Coins coming with the King of Wands. If it is you are taking up this energy, and the Queen of Pentacles, this is also if it is your energy, meaning you are taking leadership position. You are getting out of your, dejected codependent situation, feeling unrequited. You are coming out, as successful person, someone who is going to control his or her situation with his might or her might, and take a balanced approach regarding family affair, love affair, nurture it properly, take care of family. All these things are coming in. All this is coming in because you are getting into a 8 of Wands situation. 8 of Wands means progress. You are going to progress in your path of job, your career, your studies, your love affair, anything, whatever is surrounding you right now, whatever you are into in your general life, you are going to succeed in it with the 8 of Wands. Whatever you are waiting for, if you are waiting for your call letter to come, if you are waiting for a contract to come, if you are waiting for your business to grow or give you profit, it's coming. If you wanting to travel, you are going to travel. If you are waiting for messages to come, letters to come, they are going to come. So it is going to take you out of a negative situation into a positive situation, and you are going to control your life. You are going to take up, opportunities. With the King of Wands, you are going to take up opportunities. They will give you money with the Queen of Pentacles, so your financial situation is also getting better. I see you, getting into sometimes in this, situation of the reverse hangman. Reverse hangman means stuck in your own thoughts, stuck in your, self-limiting, self-doubting kind of mentality. Please get out of that, because I see, the King of Pentacles here. Someone is of the earth sign is going to help you in getting out of this situation. You are going to get out of this situation, or you are going to take up this energy of the King of Pentacles. You will be controlling your business, you will be controlling your accounts, you will be looking after your financial security, and I see a balance in your financial security coming. So the feeling of being stuck in something, feeling of being not able to think properly, feeling of, negativity will get out of your life, because you are getting into a situation of 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups, again I see another 9 of Cup coming in. So there is 2 9 of Cups, which means that your wish fulfillment is going to take place. This is your individual growth. This is your, getting self alignment. You are going to get your emotions in alignment because of a certain financial situation, certain love situation. You are going to get out of any kind of imbalance you were in. So finally, I see you in your 10 of Pentacles situation. This is financial security, working for a legacy, working for your wealth and assets, going towards your success in monetary terms, getting that security which you always needed. The insecure situation of the reverse King of Cups, the reverse Hangman, is going to end for you very soon. It is going to end for you, because you are going towards the 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. The finality of the situation is there is going to be an accomplishment. There is going to be success with the 6 of Wands. There is going to be success of you yourself with the 9 of, all your dreams will come true with the 9 of Cups. Your family happiness will be restored with the 10 of Cups. Your family wealth and asset, you will get some huge benefit now, or you will be working towards it, because I am seeing success, success, success all the way. And it is it is showing in your outcome that I am stammering because it's such a good spread that you are getting the world. You are going to close one chapter of unhappiness and going into a situation of happiness. You are getting what you always wanted. You are in that plane where you will be getting your satisfaction. You will be reaching the pinnacle of success. Some of you guys are going to do amazingly well. This can happen in the next 10 days, or this can happen within 20 to 30 days, because give it time, because have patience. It will happen, because the major arcana card of the world is coming. This is sure, short, pure success, nothing else. So you are going to close one chapter of insecurity, chapter of not having enough, because I see the 5 of Pentacles, the chapter of not having enough, lack of love, lack of money, lack of relationships, lack of everything is going to end with the world card. Anything you were waiting for with the 3 of Wands, any business, contract, goods, consignment, whatever you were waiting for, it is coming. If you wanted to travel abroad, it is going to open up for you. You are going abroad, you are taking up a travel, you are getting into the world, going global, you are attracting people from all over the world. So your situation is going to change drastically with the world card. Old situations are going to get over, chapters are going to be closed, new chapters are going to be opened. With the 3 of Cups, I see finally healing and happiness coming in your life. Absolutely beautiful reading, Cancerians. I am so happy for you. I wish you all the best. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If something good happens, please write to me, because I'll be waiting for your comments. I read all comments and sometimes I reply. So have a great next 10 days. I'll be uploading more readings for you, so keep a track. Bye bye.